Hello, if you stop it, what this video is a problem. Internet, I said exam. I said how drug stopping on your feet. And are of the classic for us. They stand to after talking care of the trees destroyed hand. We often hear that basic how knows that what it is done or that they have application. But the third is that public outreach also common environment crimes. I will talking about the Atlantic forest and biome protects by federal law. The problem is even more serious. Today I come to teach you how to index illegal burning, how to prevent illegal acts, and most importantly, how to report the signal itself so that's those impossible. I'm punished. First, we need to understand the difference between maintenance and vandalism. Proper burning service for either electrical safety or to balance the tree. Illegal burning also current drastic burning and state with removes more than 30% of the ground. The tree loses its ability to photosynthesis and suffocates. Drastic cutting. The main drug camouflage with anti-topping and generators weak suits that's foul with any winds and often of the way of a full child and the termites unilateral pruning brands are removed only on the sides. The true loses its center of the cravats and the risky and violent increase and drastic talent. Insulate is the clip. Article 49 and law 9605 establishes that destroying the mating or restricting ornamental plants and public spaces and is crime. And if it is the Atlantic forest and protection as guarantees by the federal law 11428 and the municipal governments cannot simply ignore until more time pass. If you see tree burning happening right now, don't panic, but act fast. Step 1. Ask for the word order. Tell you on everything how or what sources team needs to have documents specify what will be on event or the possible engineer is. If there is needs one the operations irregular. Step 2. Document it citing it is this video plans heavy margins. Imagine you of the personal operation. The talent especially, and the brands on the ground show the extent of the man's step 3. Call 190. Call the environment police. Report the that there is environment crime is in progress. Is in protect area or public space. If and the police can't go reach the town the name of the operator and the time of the call. This is where most people cut off. I think that the city hall of donors finance the city hall, but there are higher instance. IBAMA green line 0800618080, especially of the athletic forest. IBAMA can find the seats and how they work. Public Prosecutor Office and 5. This is the most important step. Contact the environmental public protector office in your state. You can find and complain online. The empire will open civil inquiry to investigate why this is authorized that fully manage forestry operation. 156 protocol. Can the city calls and why? To join proof that you already report the error. If the grid has late all files on a car, the protocol proving the negligence. Urban 3 and 8 and the edges of the plants for us are not just you read what the city pruning the irregular. It is harming your family health. Don't accept that its ways be this way. Argument. The law is on your side. If it is great happen, you please sharing. If you have any complaints or questions, leave them in the comments so we can discuss them. Let's hold those one should be protected as a contain